Understanding what exosomes are. Exosomes are tiny extracellular vesicles released by all cells. Exosomes falls within the size range of 40 to 110 nanometers, which is about 1,000th the size of a cell. In example, extremely smaller than a cell. Exosomes abound in all body cells and body fluids, including blood, saliva, and urine. Although exosomes are not cells, similar to cells, exosomes are made up of a lipid bilayer and they contain molecular combinations found in a cell such as DNA, RNA, and proteins. Exosomes can simply be defined as a microvesicles with a lipid membrane filled with all genetic and biomechanical content that is excreted out of cells. Exosomes have great therapeutics and diagnostic potential. Exosomes are isolated through either ultracentrifugation or cell culture media. The major function of exosomes is to improve intercellular communication by releasing effectors and signaling molecules between cells. Every cell in our body produces exosomes to give information to the neighboring cells or long-distance cells to change their behavior and to simply share information. They transfer genetic information, proteins, and receptors, and are capable of changing the behavior of one cell to the other. They can increase cell replication and other substances crucial for tissue regeneration. Exosomes affect all aspects of cell biology and are useful for improving intracellular communication. Exosomes have various biological and biomedical applications. It was used in cancer therapy, but more recently used in regenerative medicine. Exosomes are the new buzz in regenerative medicine. They improve the signaling between cells, thereby making them useful to revitalize, rejuvenate, restore, and cause an anti-inflammatory effect in the body. The regenerative properties of mesenchymal stem cells are mostly a result of their paracrine effect, mediated by factors such as extracellular vesicles, including the exosomes. So, exosomes derived from mesenchymal stem cells are used as a cell-free cellular therapy. Exosomes are highly potent microvesicles that can be used in a point-of-care environment to treat a wide variety of diseases such as aesthetic pain, management condition, everything related to hair loss, erectile dysfunction, and other capabilities. The amount of growth factors, proteins, and enzymes contained by exosomes, together with its potency and easy of use, makes it very valuable to a point-of-care doctor. Exosomes are potent microvesicles released by an adult mesenchymal stem cells. Exosomes are not cells, and they are smaller than cells. When compared to adult stem cells, exosomes have much more growth factors which give them a better clinical and aesthetic potential than stem cells. Exosomes can decrease inflammation, regenerate cells, and modulate the immune system. Exosomes do not produce host-graft reaction because they do not carry HLA genetic information and are not cells but extracts of the cells released by the cells. It is a less complicated product to transport because the cells used in cellular therapy must be applied to a patient very quickly because they are live cells. In the laboratory, once they are formed, the doctors have limited time to apply them. However, with exosomes, they last longer because as they are proteins, they do not denature and can last for longer periods. It is superior product to autologous treatments because they do not require surgical procedure. They come in a vial that can be injected directly, significantly reducing the risk and complications of a surgical procedure. It is a superior product to autologous stem cell therapy because the patient's cells have the same age and the same quality. For example, if a patient is a smoker and intoxicated, obviously the health of his cells is not the best. That is why the most indicated product is a donor product that is pure and free of toxins. Mesenchymal cell-derived exosomes are preferably used in regenerative medicines. These cells are excellent regenerative cells due to their multipotent nature. Therefore, mesenchymal stem cells-derived exosomes are superior to other exosomes products. Exosomes is a new area of regenerative medicine. There are still ongoing studies and research on the various therapeutic and diagnostic potential of exosomes and also the extent of their regenerative capacity. And thank you for your attention.